In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix left folder pane missing in Thunderbird. If the left column where your accounts and folders normally appear has disappeared, don't worry. This is usually a simple display setting that can be toggled back on in just a moment. That folder pane is the navigator for your inbox, sent, drafts, and any custom folders you've created, so getting it back will make managing your email much easier. Start by going to Thunderbird. Open the app and make sure you're looking at the main mail window, the one where your message list and reading area appear. The fix we're about to do is purely visual. It won't change or delete any messages or folders. We're just asking Thunderbird to show the pane again. Next, click the three lines at the top right of the Thunderbird window. This is the application menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Clicking it opens a drop-down with all the view and layout options we need. If your window is narrow, that menu might be condensed, but it will still appear in the upper right area. From that menu, click View. The View section controls what parts of the interface are visible and how they're arranged. It's the central place for turning different panes on and off, so it's exactly where we need to be to restore the left folder column. Then click Layout. Layout is a submenu within View that lists the major interface panels. You'll see options for different panes and how they're organized on screen. This is where Thunderbird keeps the switch for the folder pane you're missing. Now uncheck and then check the folder pane. That quick off and on toggle forces Thunderbird to refresh the interface and redisplay the folder column on the left side. As soon as you re-enable it, you should see your accounts and folders snap back into place. This action is safe and reversible. It doesn't affect your email content or account setup, only the visibility of that panel. At this point, your folder list should be visible again, making it easy to jump between inbox, sent, and any other folder you use. If you ever find the pane missing in the future, the same simple toggle will bring it back. To recap, the path is straightforward. Open Thunderbird, open the menu with the three lines, choose View, go to Layout, then toggle the folder pane off and on. That's all it takes to restore the left folder pane in Thunderbird. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your email view back to normal quickly and confidently.